Hey, how's it going, guys? Willis here. Today I'm opening Topps Allen and Ginter 2019 Hobby Box. So this box has 24 packs and with 8 cards per pack. And I purchased this from Topps website for about $100. And yeah, so let's get to it. Let's see. All right. Let's see how we're gonna do this. There you go. Okay. So comes with a box loader, and for some reason this is already opened. Oh shoot! I think it has. I guess I have to be more careful. I actually damaged the car there. Oh shoot! Well, we'll open this. Actually, I'm gonna just open it. Hopefully, it's not something valuable. Since I damaged the car. Did I damage the car? I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to look at the video later. See if when I did my use my scissor, that I went too deep and damaged the car. Well, it's Jacob deGrom, and unfortunately it's damaged. Well, okay. So that's the box loader card. Hopefully I don't damage any more cards in this box. Alright, I'm gonna just set it to the back there. Alright, so I'm gonna go for the first one. I'm gonna put this in the back and bring this pack to the view here. Okay, opening the first pack. So this line of baseball cards are known to have some wacky cards, some non-baseball related cards. So a lot of times you don't know what you're gonna get. So let's see. All right, it's got a mini card here. Show you the mini card first. Hudson. This is what the back looks like. Put this aside. All right, our first card, Rodriguez, Boston Red Sox, when they won the championship. Bauer, Springer, King Arthur's Sword. Interesting. Martinez. Keener. Alright, that's the first pack. You know what? I'm gonna separate the non-baseball cards aside. So I'm gonna put this aside here. Okay. The second pack. Thanks. Moncada. Okay, so this is the non-baseball card. I have no idea who this person is. Ninja Warrior. Okay. American Ninja Warrior, which is a show that I don't watch. But anyways, so that's that. Soto. Juan Soto, mini car. Tellez, rookie car. Put this aside there. Morgan. pack. Rookie car. Okay. That's that. Oh, whoops. The round stack. Let's put this over here. Alright. Third pack. Okay, I'm gonna move a little bit faster since this is there are 24 packs to open. So, all right. Got Granky mini car right there, and ooh, I think we got a hit there. So I'm gonna turn it around here. Show you this one. This is Wright Flyer, History of Flight car. Very nice car. Looks like a painting type of car. I guess the first airplane. Okay, this one here, and we have a hit. Let's see what it is. Okay, Relic of Helton. Very nice. It's actually a mini car in a regular size car, and it's got a little window here. You can feel the texture of the Relic. So it's not numbered, but it looks nice. All right, put this one. Since this is our hit, I'm gonna put this there. Okay, go back to the regular car. All right. Next pack. Okay. Ford, Nola, Pastrana. Who is this? Let's see. Stunt performer. Interesting. Motocross and stunt performer. Pastrana. Alright. Winfield. Bench. Oh, a flower car. Golden shrimp. Interesting. Put this right there. Sheffield rookie. Very nice. Alright, rookie car. Okay, moving on to the next pack. Okay. Alright, mini here is Keller. Mini and rookie. Very nice. Hunter. Beaker. Okay. Move on to the next pack. Kind of want to get the mini cards out first. There we go. Alright, filler. Mini. Palmer. Gwen. Lindor. Alright. That's that. Next. Oops. I accidentally turned off my light. Sorry guys. Alright. Okay. Let's get out of the mini car first. What is this? Very interesting. I don't know what this is. Alright. Some interesting historic fact. Interesting. Anyways, put this right here. Again, another non-baseball related card. Alright, Braun, Garcia, Ryan, Lindor, Tendi, Keller, rookie card. Okay, so that's that. I'm gonna switch places a little bit here. All right, next one. Okay, where are you, mini car? Oh, this one doesn't have mini car. Okay. All right. Oh, here it is. Conforto. Okay. Professional strongman. Interesting. Sanders. Brock. American Paint Horse. Interesting. All right. Abreu, James, Josh James from Astro, wiki card. Moving right along. Hernandez, is there a mini in here? Doesn't look like it. Oh, here it is. Dan Rather. Snyder. Freestyle wrestler. Andrews. Looks like a dancer. Oh wait, no, softball player. Okay, I guess because the dressed looks like a dancer. Anyways, so that's non-baseball. Hoffman, Goldschmidt, Mercer. I don't know who he is. He is Dungeon Master, voice actor in Dungeon Master. Okay. Guerrero. Severino, Stanton, Shoemaker, Chapman. Oh man, I got so many Yankee players in here. Got 3 so far. Alright, so mini with black border. Interesting. That's cool. Not a horse car. Irish Cop. Riaz. Okay, moving right along. Carpenter, Diaz. Not a history of flight card. This time is a helicopter. Turner, Justin Turner, mini. Rivera. Nice car. Is officially a Hall of Famer now. So that's that. AC Puig. Rocks. Don't know who he is. Sports agent and Arthur. Okay. Stewart. Christian Stewart. rookie. That's a lot of money there. I guess a professional gambler, poker player. Oh, look at this. A flue or a pipe. Oh, interesting. I wonder how they pick up these random stuff to print on the cards. Yeah, it's very random. All right, let's put it in the random pile. Okay. Next. All right, another sportscaster. No, baseball writer. Okay. There, Mini is Arcia. Harper. Oh, nice. Harper in Phillies uniform. Very nice. History of flight. Airplane. Ooh, look at this. Dan Rather's, I guess, is a piece of cutout of his notes, I guess. That's awesome. Oh, cool. Interesting. I'm going to consider this a hit. That's nice. That's his writing there. That's cool. Dan Rather's writing. Cool. All right. Oz. Yep. All right. So we have here Muncie, Henderson, Peter, Palmer, Mini, black border. Very nice. Rivera, Marino Rivera, nice car. New Hall of Famer, and then Seager. All right. Next. Machado without his hat. I'm wondering if that's a variant or not. Anyways. Moving right along, Devers. Mini is the Devert. Robinson. History of flight. Harrier. Interesting. So that's that. Torres, Olsen. That's that. Move on to the next pack. Henderson, Summers, TV host. That's cool. Rieta. Our Mini is Vasquez. Lou Garrett. Interesting. Aaron Cabrera. All right. Who is this guy here? Entrepreneur. Okay. Hudson, rookie. John Lester. Brian. And our Mini is Kershaw. Senegar. Merrifield. This right here. All right. Moving right along. Minis Carter. Scherzer. Who's this guy here? Video game voice actor. I wonder which video game he voiced in. Voice of Nintendo legend Mario. Huh. Interesting. All right. Ken Griffey Jr. All right, we'll get to that. All right, so let's start from the front. The mini is Ginter. And the weird car or non-baseball car is this Harpoon. Again, I don't know how they pick these weird objects, but okay. Conforto, Ken Griffey Jr. That's kind of cool. He's backward with his backward hat and everything, or cap. Interesting. All right, let's see. Look at this tiger mask. Professional wrestler, obviously. Alonso. Oh, a different Alonso. For some reason I thought it was the P. Alonso of Mets, but no. From White Sox. Yonder Alonso. Okay, the mini car is French Bulldog. Interesting. I think this is the first canine car. That's cool. Actually, I'm going to put it right here. Alright, Trout. Look at this, Trout. Okay, so that's that. Okay, let's see. Our mini is Marichal. I might be mispronouncing the name. From San Francisco. Oops. So that's him. Alright. Looks like again, sports betting or poker player. Yep, poker player. I guess Sin is pronounced. Sin. Must be from Sin City. Harper. The rookie is Wisdom from Texas Ranger. Oh, look at this. Otani. Oh, too bad it's not a rookie car. He's not a rookie anymore. Alright. So that's that. Alright, we're down to 3 packs. Getting there. Post Malone. Musician. We've got Buxton, Murphy, Dobie. Not a horsey car. Alright, and our mini car is chugging along steam train. Okay. Alright. That's that. Okay, second to the last pack. Getting there. Price. Smog. Boxer, I'm sorry, Boxer, the second K9 card. Oh, look at this. Speaking out of nowhere, this made to the card to this year's Ellen and Ginter. Oh, look at this, Severino with Relic. Very nice, very nice. That's another hit. I'm happy about that. Perez, rookie. All right, last pack, guys. Ted Williams. Meany is Robinson. Just check the back a little bit. Really quick, Jackie Robinson. All right. Horse, quarter horse. And I have no idea what this guy is. It's a magician. Okay. All right, I think that's it, guys. So just kind of recap what I have. I consider these three my hit. My hits, more than one. Severino, Relic, very nice. Pretty happy about this one. And Dan Rather with his piece of his notes, also very nice. And then last one, it's a mini Relic, very nice. Okay, so that's that. Until next time, have a good one, guys.